Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.